Yo, what's up everybody? It's your girl Colleen. Cancun gets a ton of tourists every year, and they're all here for one thing, the all-inclusive resorts. Picking the right one can be super overwhelming. Do you go for the swim-up bar, the insane water park, or the food? Don't worry though, I got you. Join me as I visit and rate Cancun's top all-inclusive resorts to find out which one truly offers the most unforgettable vacation. Let's go! You're scrolling through endless resort websites, and it's like sensory overload. Every place has crazy pictures of infinity pools and people living their best lives, but then you see the price tag and you're like, wait, is this for a week or for a day? We've all been there. That's why I'm here, to do the dirty work. The research, the taste testing, all of it. We got to find the resort that's worth every penny, where you can truly relax and not worry about a thing. First up, we hit up this place called Paradise Palms. They had a lazy river that was pretty chill, and the drinks weren't watered down, which is always a plus. But the food, I've had better at the airport. Next, we rolled up to Sunsplash Fiesta. This place was wild. They had a foam party in the pool, a DJ spinning all day, and the buffet was like a never-ending feast. The only downside, it was almost too much. Finally, we arrived at our last stop, Tranquility Cove. This place lived up to its name. Super zen and relaxing. The staff was incredible, the food was out of this world delicious, and the views were breathtaking. Okay guys, drum roll please. After careful consideration, countless margaritas and way too many trips to the buffet, I have made my decision. The winner of the Cancun all-inclusive showdown is Tranquility Cove. This place had it all: stunning beaches, top-notch service, and food that would make Gordon Ramsay proud. Plus, they had hidden gems like private cabanas on the beach and an insane spa with treatments I didn't even know existed. I'll put the link in the description below, so make sure you check it out. So, to sum it all up, Cancun is a vibe. Whether you're looking for a wild party scene, a relaxing getaway, or a little bit of both, there's an all-inclusive resort out there for you. Just remember to do your research, read reviews, and don't be afraid to splurge a little on the things that matter to you. Trust me, it's worth it. Alright guys, now it's your turn. Have you ever been to an all-inclusive resort in Cancun? What was your experience like? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Oh, and before you go, I've got another video you need to see. It's all about the craziest things that happened to me in Cancun. You don't want to miss it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this crazy adventure. Cancun, you were amazing, but it's time for me to head back to reality. Or at least until my next vacation. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Peace out, Girl Scouts.